Pre-market trending stocks for Monday, August 18th. TeraWulf, WLUF, Strategy, MSTRY, First Solar, FSLR, Bitdeer Technologies, BTDR, BGM Group, BGM, and Dayforce Inc., Day. TeraWulf, WLUF, is trending after reports of a strategic deal with Google, fueling speculation that the company is transitioning from a pure Bitcoin mining operation into the broader AI infrastructure sector. Enthusiasm among bullish investors is high, with many viewing the partnership as validation of TeraWulf's ability to diversify revenue streams and tap into the fast-growing demand for AI computing power. Beyond fundamentals, traders are actively discussing the stock's short interest, with some predicting a possible short squeeze if momentum continues. Analysts are also revisiting their target prices, noting that the Google partnership could materially improve growth projections. At the same time, others in the community remain cautious, citing the convertible note offering as a potential dilution risk and debating how much near-term upside is already priced in. Next is MicroStrategy, MSTR.
Okay, so before we get to MicroStrategy for WULF, TeraWulf, high prices at least expected to remain in place up till Tuesday, the 19th of August. Yeah, Tuesday, 19th of August on this, up to midday. As a matter of fact, if up to the close of tomorrow's trading session. Let's see what we have. We have buying pressure ramped up. Everything is solidly bullish. Um, there's a good chance that by tomorrow, the 19th, the stock will still be trading above its 10 and 21 period moving averages. That is, there's a good chance it may still be trading above 8.71 and 6.98. We don't have anything to the upside currently. It's a downward projection, 5.7. Um, yeah, 5.7, nothing to the upside there. Do we have any intraday high? 10.4, not far from where it's currently trading. So let's continue with strategy.
Continues to dominate discussions as its price action closely mirrors Bitcoin's trajectory. The debate within the community largely centers on two themes: the potential for S&P 500 inclusion and the ongoing strategy of accumulating Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset. Supporters argue that CEO Michael Saylor's aggressive Bitcoin positioning is a long-term masterstroke that could position the company as a de facto Bitcoin ETF alternative. Skeptics, however, caution that the correlation exposes MSTR shareholders to amplified volatility, particularly if Bitcoin experiences extended drawdowns. Traders are closely watching technical levels for potential breakouts or breakdowns, with some pointing to elevated short interest as fuel for a potential squeeze. Next is First Solar.
Okay, so with MSTR, lower prices are expected to keep playing out at least up till Tuesday the 19th, the close of tomorrow's trading session. We have 359, 350, down all those are downward projections. So before now we had 375.17. We had 362. Current that's just slightly above where it's currently trading now, just slightly above where it is trading now. And then we had for as of the 28th of July, there was 424.38, 453.47, 463.76. Let's see what we have in terms of yeah, okay. Everything is severely bearish, severely bearish. We have a positive second derivative on its 21 period moving average. This is a 4-hour chart, so there's a good chance that we may be. Yeah, it has actually pivoted somewhat, but it's not enough pivot on the stock. MSTR is down 1.25%. So yeah, just this positive second derivative indicates that there's a good chance that we may have printed a bottom in the interim. So, but it's also likely to remain below its 10 and 21 period moving averages. So, come tomorrow the 19th, there's a good chance the stock may still be trading below 369.3.33 and 383.65. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to FSLR.
FSLR is attracting attention as investors digest news of a potential revised Senate bill that could expand renewable energy tax credits. While details of the legislation remain uncertain, bulls argue that First Solar is positioned to benefit significantly given its leadership in US based solar manufacturing and the push for domestic energy security. The stock's technical setup is also a hot topic, with analysts debating whether recent price action signals a sustained breakout or a temporary rally. Beyond FSLR, conversations extend to the broader renewable sector, where policy changes could tilt the competitive landscape and revalue valuations across solar and clean energy names. Next is Bitdeer Tech.
Okay, before I get to beat there, so for FSLR, we have the extrapolation saying that strength will remain in place up till Thursday, the 21st. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. We have 194.20, it's a down projection. Um, okay, so let's see now. As of Wednesday, the 6th of August, we had 218.75. Let's see, it's FSLR, whether it has any printed any intraday high. No, nothing. We have low memory here on that one. Yeah, so buying pressure must be high. Let's see. Yeah, very high. But we have a negative first derivative and fractional second derivative. We have the second derivatives are they're a bit low on value. So, well, but regardless, the stock is expected to remain above its 10 and 21 period moving averages at least by tomorrow, the 19th. So there's a good chance that it will stay above 191.56 and 187.75. So next is BTDR. BTDR lower prices are expected to play out up till Wednesday the 20th, midday. And we have a couple of projections here. We have 13.65, 14.19, 14.53 currently in play at the moment. Okay, earlier on, a couple of weeks ago, we had 14.78, 15.65, 16.19. Setting pressure must be high. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, we just have a severely bearish 10 period moving average. So there's a good chance that moving average is there's a good chance the stock is here. There's a good chance we may have the convergence we're having there now with the stock. There's a good chance that convergence may remain. It may not. It may. There's a good chance it may still be trading right around its 10 period moving average, which is around 13.54. That range, 13.54, 13.42. Yeah, that range, that whole range of between 13.03 and 13.54. Come tomorrow the 19th, there's a good chance it may still be trading around those sort of levels.
Technologies BTDR is surging in community chatter after posting better than expected earnings and revenue, signaling resilience in a challenging Bitcoin mining environment. Technical traders highlight bullish chart patterns, while fundamental investors point to BlackRock's accumulating position as a sign of institutional confidence. Some speculate on a potential explosive move higher given the combination of positive financial momentum and relatively high short interest. The discussion also ties into sector wide trends, with investors comparing Bitdeer's operational efficiency, production updates, and balance sheet strength against peers like Marathon and Riot. Last is BGM Group is drawing increasing buzz as it pivots from its pharma roots into AI and robotics applications. The company's focus on deploying AI solutions in real-world systems, ranging from insurance modeling to smart city infrastructure, has sparked comparisons to early-stage Palantir. Bulls argue that BGM's ability to scale AI across practical industries could unlock significant upside, especially if upcoming earnings results validate the early promise of its strategy. The community is split between seeing this as a potential high growth re rating story or as an overhyped pivot that still needs to prove execution. And last is Dayforce Inc. Is
Okay, so BGM, the extrapolation is saying that the uptrend that began as of Wednesday the 13th is expected to remain in place. It's actually might even get stronger and remain in place up till Tuesday the 20th, sorry, Wednesday the 20th. In terms of projections, we don't have any 8.61. Yeah, okay, just an upper projection, one upper projection. We have to go all the way back to the 29th of July to see even further upper projections. We had, and still relevant, 9.08, 9.84, 13.4, 14.89, 15.80. Buying pressure is supposed to be very high. Okay, so it's the buying pressure. Okay, just on its 10 period moving average is high, but every other thing, including the price pressure momentum of its 21 period moving average, is still negative because the stock hasn't cleared those moving averages. So even with a trending 10 period moving average, the stock is expected to still, as things stand right now, be trading within the current between around this current levels 7.54, 7.65. It's expected that maybe it may still be trading right around there by tomorrow the 19th. Maybe there's a good chance that there's a chance that that may be the case. There's a chance that may be the case. Okay, so let's move on to the next, which is DAY. DAY is let us see. Let's see.
spotlight after reports surfaced of a potential acquisition by Thoma Bravo, one of the largest private equity firms specializing in software. The news has triggered pre-market gains with speculation that the deal could value the company at a premium to its current market cap. Community members are buzzing about the potential impact on the HR software sector, noting that consolidation could boost competitive dynamics and valuations across peers. Traders are eyeing near term upside from deal related momentum, while longer term investors are weighing the strategic rationale for Dayforce being taken private under Thoma Bravo's operational expertise.
Okay, so for Thermal Bravo, a lot has happened. It spiked a lot. The algos are saying that strength might remain in place and hold up to midday on Wednesday the 20th. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Projections, we have down projections 60.20, nothing to the upside prevailing. Let's see, it's currently trading at 67.51. Let's see. We'll have to go to the daily chart and see if we're going to find anything there. Let's see what we have here. We have 67.55, yeah, 69.49. These were in play as of the 17th of June, 7.27. Okay, let's find out what the price pressure momentum is indicating. Yeah, we have negative second derivatives on the 10 and 21 period moving averages, indicating that yeah, maybe strength. The momentum is running out of steam, but because of the robust price pressure momentums, and so yeah, there's a good chance that stock may still be trading above its 10 and 21 period moving averages. That is 55.70, 53.38 by tomorrow the 19th. So have a look at these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.